So we have seen how to use chmod command for changing the permissions and providing access, etc. So now we'll see how to change the ownership of files and directories. So currently I have this directory amrit96.pub. It's a kind of public file for me. So and here we can see it is owned by user Jenkins, and the group is also Jenkins. So I will change this ownership and group to root. So root is a kind of user in Linux which has all accesses. I mean, by default it has all accesses, and it can do anything. It's a kind of super user. So let's see how what is the command for that. The command is chown, and again I'll just give this is the root. Then we have to give colon, and again this is the root group. So this is the user group, and then you have to give the file name. So the file name is this. So again, it does not allow that. The Jenkins user has limited access. So we'll just use a power command called sudo. So if we check the permissions, I mean the ownership now. So now it is moved to the ownership is changed to user root and the group root. So let me revert it back again. So again, this is how we do it. Again, if you want to do recursively, so for that let me first create a sample directory or folder. So I just created this folder just now. I'll just create one file, abc.txt maybe. Okay, so we can see again this is owned by test folder, and the test folder contents both are owned by Jenkins user and Jenkins group. So I'll just try to provide this ownership, shift it from Jenkins to root user, root group, and test is the folder. So -r is for recursively. So whatever files and folders are or directories are inside the test directory, it will also change the ownership from Jenkins to root. So it's not actually chmod, it's my fault. Chown, chown, chown. Okay. Again, this is not permitted, so I'll just go with sudo. Sudo is like having more power. It will execute that as the sudo user with root permissions, and it will change all the things. So we can see now this test folder is owned by user root and group root. Again, if we go want to check the content of test folder, test directory, it has abc.txt file. Again, the ownership has changed from Jenkins to user root and group root.